She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Real 85, and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to come to y'all and talk to y'all about what I'm doing for my fall/winter routine when it comes to my Freeform Locs. I don't do much with my hair. When it comes to Freeform Locs, you don't have to do much with your hair. Literally just wash it and go. It's the real wash and go. Don't let nobody fool you. You see all these videos with people using all these products, but none of that's necessary. But you know, to each his own. Everybody do what they want to do. What I do for the winter time, I still wash my hair whenever I want to. But this time around, I'm not gonna be washing my hair as much in the winter. I just feel like it's not necessary for me. Usually I wash my hair whenever I feel like it, but I know for sure I'm gonna either do it monthly or just wait it out until spring. That's just one of my things that I'm gonna do. I'm not saying that y'all do that. I'm just telling y'all my routine. And I wanna say, excuse me for the background noises. My kids are upstairs with me. Every time I get started doing this, they find a way up here somehow, so excuse the background noise. And like I said, I'm not gonna be washing my hair that much, but I do want to keep my hair moisturized because my hair is extra dry during the winter. And what I do to moisturize my hair is use a spritz. So in my bottle is my concoction. You guys can make whatever you guys want. It makes my hair really soft and kind of gives it like a little shine, and it smells good. I just spritz it, you know, mist it, and then sometimes I will like massage it in my scalp. And I do this whenever it feels dry. I know my hair is dry, hair is dry, but you can spritz this every day, every night, or spritz it every other day, or spritz it once a week. Whatever you feel like your hair needs some moisture and love. Because it's cold, I feel like I've been misting mine every day. Also too, what helps me keep my hair kind of moisturized is when I take a shower. When I go into the shower, I don't wear a shower cap. So I'm not necessarily getting my hair drenched under the water, but the humidity and the moisture from the shower usually moisturize my hair. So that helps as well. Another thing that I do to keep my hair safe during the winter months, the cold months, is that I don't have my hair out as much as I would if it was warm. My hair thrives off of spring, summer weather, but it hates the cold weather. So I don't have it out because it'll get rock hard. I don't know, it just gets real stiff and real ashy during this time. So if I'm going out, I always wear a head wrap. I always wear a scarf going out. And I will show y'all in the next video how I wrap my hair out when I go out, how I wrap my baby Freeform Locs. I'll show y'all that in the next video if y'all want to see that. But yeah, my hair does not like the cold air, y'all. It's just like my skin. Like in the weather, it gets really ashy, really dry. So I'd like to cover my hair as much as possible. Most of the time I cover it at home too. Another thing that I do to keep my hair protected during this time and keep my hair thriving and moisturized is that I do sleep with a satin pillowcase. I do now during the cold months sleep with a satin pillowcase because I don't want to dry my hair out with cotton pillowcases, which I do sleep on in the summer. Like I was sleeping on those, but now since it's getting cold, I just don't want to take the risk of having my hair breaking off while I sleep, you know, since it's already super dry. And another thing that I do during the winter time, I would say I drink more water. I try to not only moisturize my outside, but I also try to moisturize my inside, because you know what you put in comes out physically. So for me not to have ashy dry hair, I need to drink more water. So that's what I've been doing, just drinking more water and green tea, keeping myself hydrated. So yeah, guys, that's really it. That's my like routine during the fall winter months. If y'all like this video, please thumbs up this video. I'm trying to get in the algorithm, y'all, so like let's thumbs up these videos, get my videos out there. Hopefully it can help y'all. Hopefully it reach some young ladies as well as my men, but hopefully some young ladies. We need the ladies out here. I don't see much of us doing freeform locs. Put me in the algorithm, help some sisters out, let me be a face. Get me out there, you know. If y'all have any questions, leave them below. If y'all have any videos you guys would like to see, please comment below. And I just want to thank y'all for being here. Y'all could have been anywhere else, but y'all decided to rock with your girl. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.